Right now, a hearing is underway to decide if 18 Penn State students will stand trial in the hazing death of their fellow student. The parents of 19-year-old Timothy Piazza walked into the courthouse in Pennsylvania this morning. That is where the judge will decide if there is enough evidence to charge fellow students in their son's death. Their son died after a binge drinking ritual hazing at a fraternity house in February. Our Sarah Gandam is outside of the courthouse. And Sarah, what will we see in court today?
Poppy, the most significant thing that could happen this morning at this hearing is that prosecutors could decide to show that surveillance tape from inside the fraternity house that details the 12 hours after the hazing incident in which Tim Piazza struggled and declined, eventually turning ashen and unresponsive. His parents, who I'm told will be in the courtroom, do plan to leave for that part of the hearing. They do not wish to see this video. That's according to the family attorney, Tom Klein. Now, this is a hearing to determine if there is enough evidence to move forward to a trial. These 18 defendants plus the fraternity will go before a judge who will decide if the evidence is strong enough for them to go to trial. 2 of these defendants have already waived, but the rest of them, 16 members of the fraternity plus the fraternity itself, will all be in the courtroom together for this hearing. Attorneys for the defendants have been mostly tight-lipped since these charges were announced, but some of them did tell me they do plan to fight this. One attorney telling me this: the government assumes that these young men, many of whom were intoxicated themselves, should have been able to differentiate symptoms of extreme intoxication from symptoms of a life-threatening head injury. That is an impossible burden to place on them. Of course, that's the view of the defense attorneys. We'll see what the judge has to say after viewing that surveillance tape after this hearing today.